If your Binance account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Visit the Binance Support Center. Go to the Binance website and navigate to the Support Center. Look for the section dedicated to account issues or restrictions to find specific guidance on how to appeal. Step 3. Submit a support ticket. Create a support ticket detailing your issue. Include your gathered information and clearly explain why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Be concise and polite in your communication. Step 4. Provide additional documentation. If requested, be prepared to provide any additional documentation that Binance may need to verify your identity or account activity. This could include identification documents or proof of address. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, wait for Binance to respond. This process may take some time, so be patient. Check your email regularly for updates regarding your appeal status. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Binance requires careful preparation and clear communication. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of having your account reinstated.